السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا مرحبا بكم. I hope you are doing well inshallah ta'ala. Today inshallah we learn about the importance of the Arabic language. The Arabic language also speak in all of the words like English, and also a lot of languages use in many countries, but Arabic also use for speaking in a lot of countries. So that's why sometime we are going to other country, so there we need, we speak with their people in native language. So that's why we learn Arabic language. But today we learn importance of the Arabic language, what's the advantages of Arabic language, and how speak Arabic language in other countries like Saudi Arabia, Yemen, etc. Okay, so discover the rich tapestry of Arabic, a language that has shaped history, culture, and global communication for centuries. Arabic language is a global communication. Also Arabic language used for historical things, for historical culture, for historical place. Okay, and next thing we have the global reach and influence of Arabic, but 422 million native speaker Arabic, the fifth most spoken language worldwide. And also 26 countries Arabic is an official language in 26 countries. And 1.8 week Muslim globally, Arabic is central to Islamic practice and traditions. Okay, the role of Arabic in religion and culture. Mostly, Arabic language derived, and Arabic language came to us specially for religious. Like we use Arabic language for religious, and also we can communicate and we can explain all the things which came up from the side of God, like Allah, and from the side of Messenger. So that's why we need to learn Arabic language, and then we explain it, and then we speak. So first of all, like Islam, Arabic is the language of the Quran in Islamic prayers. Also Quran also derived, and Quran also wrote in Arabic language, and also our prayer and also our worship. And next thing, like literature, Arabic poetry and prose have a rich centuries old tradition. Like also music, also Arabic influences can be heard in various musical styles worldwide. And also Arabic calligraphy often adorns mosque and other buildings. Okay, and next thing, Arabic in science and scholarship. So scientific contribution, Arabic scholar made a significant advance in mathematics, astronomy and medicines, like translation movement, like Arabic translation of preserved and expanded upon ancient Greek and Roman knowledge, and also academic influence. Many English words have Arabic origins, especially in scientific fields. Arabic language also used in many countries, and also used in many religions, and also used in many scientific things, like contribution, like their experiment. So that's why uh, we need learn Arabic language, so then we can able to understand, and then when we can able to achieve our future goals. Okay, uh, practical application of Arabic today, in today, also we have a lot of challenges. So how we can communicate and how we can exchange and how we can translate our thing in Arabic language. Okay, so also we need business, so Arabic skills open door in international trade and oil industries. Okay, like second thing, we have diplomacy. Arabic is crucial for international relation in the Middle East. Okay, like sometimes we wanna like relationship with Middle East countries, so that time we need like learn Arabic language, so then when can we can easily speak with them. Okay, next thing, like media, Arabic language news network have global reach and influence. And fourth one, we have tourism, like Arabic enhances travel experience in Arabic country and culture. So I hope inshallah everyone inshallah understood in our this video. So if you have any kind of difficulties, so please write in comment box, so inshallah we can give you good answer. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.